I am in Newton County today at this beautiful new build community at a gorgeous one-of-a-kind plan called the Nichelle with 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and over 4,000 square feet. These homes sit on about an acre lot. Y'all are gonna love this home. So many beautiful finishes, lots of conveniences, like 2 laundry rooms, and ensuite for each bedroom. Come on in and let's see it. First, this way, we have the formal dining room. You see, you have your details on the wall, and there's so much room in here for your dining guests. On this side of the entryway, you have a living room and our lovely on-site agent. But plenty of room in there to do what you need to do. Coming this way, you have a powder room and a closet. And we come further into the home, and then you have this dramatic 2-story living room. All these windows pouring all of this beautiful light and plenty of space for your living room furniture right here. It's hard not to love this space, y'all. And then we come this way into the gourmet kitchen with this huge L-shaped island. A lot of prep space, a lot of storage space, a lot of cabinetry in here. This is where it's at. So you have even more counter space over here. And again, if you are getting one of these built, you will have your pick of finishes and other materials that they're going to use at the design center. Also have your gas range. A lot of y'all want gas. This is it. And then you have your eat-in kitchen area right here. And if you get this home on an unfinished basement, you have the deck space right out this door. On this first level, you also have a guest room with a full bathroom. Really good size. Your guests are not gonna wanna leave because they have their own bathroom and they're right next to the kitchen. All right, so let's leave out of this space. I'm gonna go back through this beautiful kitchen. Now, one thing I didn't mention that I want y'all to see is this little Butler pantry area. So you have even more prep space, cabinetry, and prep space. And right through here, we just have a pantry. So you have your actual pantry right here. And then you have laundry room number 1. So that means that there are 2 laundry rooms in this space. And through this door, you have your 3-car garage. All right, now we're upstairs. Let's go right into the primary suite. I really want y'all to see this. You see, you have your main living area right here with the tray ceiling. Loving the dark accent color. Lots of room to do whatever you want. And then over here, this bonus sitting area. You gotta love that. Another wonderful feature about this plan. So let's go into the ensuite. Very spacious. You have to love that. And also, if you get this home built from the ground up, you will have your choice of tile and other finishes within the home. So right this way, we have a very large walk-in closet. Plenty of room for all of your things. Now let's see the other bedrooms. What I love about these secondary bedrooms is they all have bathrooms. So convenient. Another wonderful feature about this home, before we go into those bedrooms, you have another laundry room upstairs. So bedroom number 3, right in here. Lots of light, plenty of room. And again, the best part, a full bathroom. And then right beyond the bathroom, a walk-in closet. So right off of the stairs, bedroom number 4. Love the vaulted ceiling and how the windows are recessed right here. It's plenty of room in this space. And again, a full bathroom. So last but not least, right across the catwalk, we have bedroom number 5. Standard room, but plenty of space. And then you have your full bathroom right here. So you can get this home built on an acre lot. You can get it on a slab, on an unfinished basement. The HOA is $700. And if you get in now, there are some amazing incentives available. Really good location, about 40 minutes from Atlanta. If you're interested, give me a call and let's get a deal done. I'll see you at the next home.